morning, everybody.
It is not morning. It is 5 o'clock at night.
You didn't have to tell them that.
What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon Dagger coming to you guys with a brand new video. Today we're installing my carbon hood. It shouldn't be that hard from all the videos that I've seen. I'm going to show you guys in a second, but I want to take this one off before I show you guys. So we're going to go ahead and take off the OEM one. You want to go ahead and pop it? So it should be fairly easy. We got to remove all the squirters or the hose thing. And it should take these off. Should be easy. This is literally a pain in the ass.
Beverly. Scoopy.
Now we're going to take the whole hood off. Hopefully it's easier.
Aye! Manga.
I say run like that, no kizzy. So we got the stock one off down over there. If you guys want to buy that one, if you guys are in the SoCal area, hit me up on Instagram because I'm really not gonna have any space for it, so you guys can take it. But now to show you guys the Seibon one.
Haven't put all the things back yet, but fitment check.
Check that side. It's kind of tight on this side. You must have a gap on this side. Yeah.
It's fine then. Loosen the bolts in.
Oh no, it's rubbing.
Let me see.
What are you gonna do?
Well, I mean, if that corner's already fucked up with paint, might as well just keep on fucking it up, right? Okay. Basta, j'ai là, wow! Don't forget the YouTubers. Don't forget the YouTubers. Don't forget the YouTubers.
That shit goes hard. Carson's Flyer. Where are you driving it? I'll make sure the tail lights work. Press the brake. Hazards. Turn signal. Oh, sorry, reverse. Hard. Couldn't cut it. Alright, it's about a couple days from when we put on the hood, which thought I was hiding for a while, but I really wasn't. Got the tail lights installed as well. I think this hood is pretty fire and low-key. This thing even, honestly, one of my favorite Seibon hoods. I think my favorite part about it is the vents right here on the side. Eventually the car is gonna get wrapped, so that's why I didn't get it color matched, because I wasn't going to keep it white for too much longer. The plan is to obviously wrap it by the end of the year. I have a color in mind that I'm gonna be doing, so I hope you guys are ready for that. Let me know what you guys think about the hood. Let me know what hood you guys would have went with. My second option was the one with the big square right here, where you can see the intake and everything. That was gonna be my second hood of choice, but we ended up getting a good deal on this one, so I just couldn't pass it up. So huge shout out to Easy Motorsport for taking care of me like they always do. If you guys are in the SoCal area, Jesus Christ, the lighting is terrible. Make sure you guys hit them up. I'll put the Instagram right here. Let them know that I sent you. I mean, they have wheels, carbon parts, they have all kinds of stuff. So make sure you guys hit them up and let them know that I sent you and everything. So again, huge shout out to Easy. But we got a lot more parts coming for the Type R. Hope you guys are ready for it. We haven't seen the 11 gen in a while because it's still at getting the prototype done, but it should actually be back this week, which I'm excited about. So we'll be getting the 11 gen back this week. Also, if you guys missed the last video, we made stickers for the 11 gen, which I'm gonna put up right here. Go cop yourself a sticker. It's gonna be the link in the description, the first link down there. So go cop a sticker. I'm done pushing power out of the Type R. I just wanna make it look a little bit different, not as stock. So that's why I got the Mugen tails, the carbon hood. I wanna get the headlights, the Jay's Racing headlights, and the Mugen kit all the way around. So hopefully we can get that soon, and then obviously we'll get it wrapped, which I'm super excited for because it's gonna be a color I don't think I've seen on the Type R, but we are gonna have to change the wheel color because it's gonna be two different, it just won't blend right. So we'll get the wheels powder coated, or we'll just get new ones straight up. But yeah, we're on version 2 of the Type R, which I'm excited about. So I hope you guys are excited as well. If you guys are brand new here, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys have not already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Dab, peace.